Okay, we're here in Berlin, right? And I'm videoing the TV tower, also known as the Pope's Revenge, also known as, oh my God, we got it there, baby. Also known as Ulbricht's Erection, the East German premier who built it just to show off to the Welsh how big he was, or something like that.
You got it.
That wasn't as good as the last one, though. We'll do one more. We're going to do it twice. That was in the first 20 seconds. So we're going to hang around here for another 2 minutes.
I thought that would have Sufrieden you.
No, it wouldn't have Sufrieden me. It hasn't Sufrieden me. What does Sufrieden mean? Satisfied?
Yeah.
No. We'll give it another 2 minutes at least, up to the 3-minute mark. So,
Go on, keep talking.
cattle mutilations are up.
God, the Boondock Saints is awful.
Who's in that movie England before?
Full of the worst cliches ever.
By the way, this is the street. What street are we on, by the way? What? Yeah.
Going on to
Here we go. Fuck, it doesn't really work very well, does it?
over there.
It must be going away. Shit. The one about 5 minutes ago, like, cracked off the top of that tower. In fact, 3 in a row cracked off the tower. 4 in a row? Well, did it crack off the tower the last one?
I don't know if it cracked off the top of it, but it fucking went pretty close to it, like.
Yeah, but that's when it was literally like a fork of lightning in the kind of, you know...
Fork sense?
Yeah, the fork sounds the word, and they actually felt it in their feet then as well. It was pretty fucking scary. One more minute and we're gone.
You get nothing in the next minute, I guarantee you.
Well, we'll see. "35 seconds to go, your guarantee." Come on, Sky, fucking don't let me down.
You've already got one on tape, that's good going. You're
2,
lucky.
20 seconds.
Never get it.
What?
You'll get nothing.
One more minute, so.
Why don't you continue your amazing tales of the TV show all the time about how it goes down twice as fast as
Does it? What?
It used to go around once an hour or whatever.
Does it actually turn?
The ball turns.
Really?
And during communist times, it's turned once an hour.
No, it's twice
You
now.
have your meal. You wait around for an hour.
Oh, can you eat up there? Oh, baby. That hit it, did it?
No, I don't think so.
It fucking did too.
Getting close enough. You wait around for an hour to have your meal.
Yeah.
And then when the fucking capitalists took over, they went, let's turn this mother around every fucking 30 minutes so people piss off and we can serve more prawn cocktails or whatever.
Yay, capitalism, huh? Exhaust the world's supply of prawns
Let's go.
to make profit.
Let's go. Your arms are fucking tired.
Okay, my arm's tired. I'm gone. Good luck.